Good day. Here is the title of our research: Experiences, Challenges, and Coping Mechanisms of Grade 1 Parents in Bagbag 2 Elementary School as Home Learning Facilitators in the New Normal. I'm Rosalie D. Caitlian.
I am Julie G. Caranto.
And Jeveline B. Dulnuan. For the rationale, many learners in our school nowadays have difficulties in learning the competencies in all subject areas and the reading skill as well due to pandemic. The use of MDL or modular distance learning contributed for a continuous education at home, made parents as home learning facilitators and experienced the process of teaching and learning. Many of them complained about their hardships as they experienced to become home-based teachers. The threat of pandemic virus is unpredictable. No one can tell when it will be active and until when it will be totally ended, so all of us can turn to live a normal life again. The purpose of this research is to identify the experiences, challenges, and coping mechanism of grade 1 parents as home learning facilitators of their own children in this new normal education.
For the key literature, parents are open to adjust with the new normal setup. Their concerns are valid, but parents have nothing to worry about because the teachers will still be facilitating the students' learning by being the ever-ready learning consultants. They will also help the parents and the learners to go through the modules and worksheets both online and offline according to Bendijo A. A module is a self-contained, independent unit of instruction prepared for the purpose of attaining specific instructional objectives. This study will help parents as home learning facilitators of their own children to become effective home-based teachers even without the pandemic. For the methodology, this study employed a semi-structured interview among 30 respondent parents as home learning facilitators and also used the purposive sampling technique to achieve the sample. All participants were selected using the following criteria. First, parents who have children currently enrolled in grade 1. Second, played the role of being home learning facilitators. And the third one, willing to participate in this study.
For the findings under experiences number 1, I was excited to teach my child each day. Challenges, I didn't know when and how to start teaching the lesson. Coping mechanisms, I seek help from my child's class advisor to guide me during the teaching process. Number 2, I study the lessons or read the whole week topic before I teach my child. I tried my best to portray the role of a teacher. I watched the video lessons shared by my child's teacher so I would be guided. Number 3, I studied the letter sounds and gestures in producing them. I was not able to help my child to read, so he had reading difficulty, naming letters and producing their sounds. I allowed my child to be under the school reading program to help him become a reader. Number 4, I went to school and met my child's class advisor during retrieval weeks. At times, I'm not available to retrieve my child's outputs because of my work schedule. My co-parent, neighbor, joined the school kapitbayanihan and able to help me retrieve my child's outputs and get new set of learning materials in the school. The findings revealed that parents' experiences and challenges as home learning facilitators during the modular distance learning or MDL gave way on the best coping mechanisms they could use. The school programs in reading and in academics were also mentioned that helped them cope up with the different challenges. The teacher's technical assistance and daily follow-up guided them well to perform their new role as home-based teachers. With this, their children were determined to continue their studies and avoid them from being dropped during the MDL. Implications. The study focused on using parents' experiences and challenges as their guide in providing their children's teaching and learning needs. The result of the study can be used as a support program for the school's future problem in teaching, learning, and decrease enrollment dropout rate.